The biggest thing I've heard from other active duty, like my peers and everything, was I don't have time. I'm active duty. That takes all of my focus. My husband actually being one of them, he didn't go back to school until he got out because he felt as though he didn't have the time. You just kind of have to, get the ball rolling and then go with the flow. Like if you can't be full time, that's not a deal breaker. You'll still get there. It definitely can be overwhelming at times. I know with being so close to getting my degree and then having a 6-month-old and a toddler, there are some days where I'm like, why did I do this to myself? But because I'm so close and I can literally see the light at the end of the tunnel, that's just kind of given me all that I need right there. I just have to remember, this stress is temporary. I'm doing this for my family so that I can say that I did it, that I can provide for them.